Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to uninstall, remove or delete Intellij IDEA from my Windows 10 machine. It is very simple. Just on a search bar type control panel, and if you can see there is it offered control panel option. Click on that option, and here on the programs you will see uninstall a program button. Click on that. So here, as you can see, I have all my installed programs on a Windows 10 machine, and I'm gonna find Intellij IDEA. Intellij IDEA Community Edition. I'm gonna click on that, and I will click on install. Click on this button, on install button. Yes, it will ask you your permission, and you have to wait a little bit, and it will start uninstall process. So here it's asking, please confirm if you would like to delete the caches and settings. So delete Intellij Community Edition, yes. Delete settings and the uninstalled plugins, yes. I'm going to do both of them. And share the uninstall feedback, no, I'll not select that one, and click on install. Now get started on installing the Intellij from my Windows 10 machine. It's gonna take a couple of seconds, I guess. So guys, as you can see, it is completed uninstalling process. Show details. It will show all the details of what files was removed, and you can close this one. And what I suggest, please restart your machine in order to work Windows properly. Thank you very much for your attention. If you liked my video, please don't forget to like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be posting Java related a lot of videos in this YouTube channel in the future. Thank you very much. Have a good day.